Hey guys, we're back. We're doing another video today on the Subnautica. It's great. Today we are doing the same as yesterday. Obviously, hunting around for the lovely old fragments. You know, trying to find out what to do. So, last episode, I'm going to do a bit of a recap. I think we got the... No, we didn't. we saw a sea glide fragment. There we go. And we got these lovely tools: a knife, a welder, and a scanner. So I am starving right now, but there's a little thing that I saw here, which I'm gonna look. That right there. What is that logo? Looks like an Altera logo. It's very weird. Right, now we should actually get in. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of these lovely, nutritious peepers. Come here.
New creature discovered.
Didn't even discover this. Well, right, so we got this bad boy. You're gonna die. No, please don't let me die. I can help you through caverns. I've got a glowing eye and it'll help you. Well, I'm sorry, I'm running out of oxygen, so I'm going to eat you anyway. Because I'm kind of starving. Please, we had so much good times together. I could help you go through the sea. Well, I kind of need to eat, so goodbye. Nom 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 nom.
Vital signs stabilizing.
Peeper, you taste lovely. Thanks for your cooperation. Right, so what I'm aiming for today is number 1. Probably start on a base, I guess. Shut up. Go away. No one likes you. Okay. Right, stop being negative. Right, so we're gonna go all this way. Stop pooping yourself. I know you have gas problems, but you need to stop. Okay, it's not going to get any better. Stop! I said stop, okay?
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
They're so gassy. They always just fart. I'm going to need extra oxygen tanks, but look at these guys. Look at these. I'm going to hold on. Be free! He just sucks right onto that. So, just sucks right onto it. Oh, that. Ooh. Right, now we can make more tanks. More tanks. More tanks. More tanks, more goodness, okay? Right. People, shut up. I don't need you. I ate your brother. Now go. Right, you want? Peeper, you just flew.
Yes.
Damn you, Peeper. Go on, fly. That kind of looks like a shark. That's scary. So what we need to do? I can make your treat. Awesome. Yes, I know you've had trouble with your gas, but really, I can't help you anymore. Whenever I go near you, you just fart at me. So please. Yeah, I know. Okay. I will try and help you with your gas problems, but it's gonna be hard. Okay? It's gonna be like... Oh, yeah, I hear ya. Alright, yeah. Okay. If you can't hear this, you'll just hear me like talking to myself. Okay, yeah. Shut up! I'm trying to do this.
Caution. Continued degradation of the aurora's dry core may cause a quantum detonation. Calculating risk assessment. Death by malnourishment. 7%.
Wow, thanks.
Physical injury. 11%.
Oh, yeah.
Exposure to radioactive crash site materials. 19%. If the drive core is breached, probability of death increases to 65%.
Oh, that's nice. Thanks for telling us that. Oh. Right, guess we're gonna die. But we're a survivor, we are the chosen one. Well, who cares, we're gonna die. Hey, I told you to... Right, if you wanna check out your, like, gas problems, you need to stop farting. Ow, frick. You just farted all over me and it smells. Phew. God. You reek. Go away. Right, so we got some oxygen now. We need to... No! You... Can you stop farting over there? You absolutely reek. Right, we got some metal salvage. This looks There's loads of them. This looks interesting. Oh, we're getting closer to aurora.
Caution. 30 seconds.
We're getting closer to the aurora. If you don't know what that is a reference to, it's a reference to a dog going aurora. It's super funny. You should definitely watch it. But good. Right. Me definitely. So, John, what? Hey, what are you doing down there? Yeah, you just stay down there. I'm not gonna hurt you. I won't hurt you, and you don't hurt me. Is that a deal? I think we made a deal with the sand sharks, guys. So don't hurt me, I won't hurt them. Even though I only have like this trusty knife and a fire extinguisher. I'll spray you with the fire extinguisher. Get wrecked! I know I have to use this for other things, but it pushes me. Look at that. Right, I could... Oh, it does work as well. I would probably just swim faster upwards. Where is Aurora from here? Oh, we're getting closer. That is not good. Right, I will BRB and I'll see you guys in a second. BRB. Hey guys, we're back. Just a short intermission there. But we're in the same place before. I just had to quickly go. So, we're here. Guys, if you don't know, the Aurora might explode. That's what I'm preparing for here. Hopefully it isn't going to be too much of a shock. Hopefully we're there so we can witness it when it can happen. Right. We'll be around the area. Ooh, wait, here it is. Here's what I need.
Caution. Mild dehydration detected.
Oh,
Fluid intake recommended.
Damn it. Low speed fish. Wait, right? Yeah, my roof back buddies. Obviously, you can see I've obviously played just a tiny bit. Not really too much, but I played a bit. So I know a bit about it. Right, we've got a loud trash can here. We need to go up to the surface like now. Oh god, I'm gonna drown. No, right. 40,
Caution, 30 seconds of oxygen.
Yeah, we'll make it. Because I left it something like nearly 90. Yeah, we made it. I can do it less than 30 at that depth. That's nice. That's nice and dandy here. Right, I'm just gonna seeing because it looked like it was being cut off, but it wasn't. Look at all that salvage. That is nice. Well, it's not like salvage, but it's like all that scannables. Hey, get back in your hole. No scannables here. Go away, Sand Shark. No one actually loves you. Well, except your mate that you probably made more Sand Sharks with. But you're all gonna die of Kara, so... Don't know what Kara is, it's a infectious disease. Oh no, no, I've seen these before. There you are. No, come next to me. Yeah, come at me. See what happens. Oh, lag spike. It's just it's like, yeah, he's dead. Get wrecked. You know what? Come at me. Try and bite me. I'll bite your face off. Oh god, 30 oxygen. I'm not gonna survive this, am I?
30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
I'm dead. I'm gonna go back to my life pod after this because there's not too much here. I am dead. No, I'm not. I'm good.
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Okay. Wait. I need to go under the ground. Okay. I couldn't see my base there. I was like, what? Alright, we'll go on the surface because it's quicker. Right, so my goals are today to try and get...
Severe dehydration detected. Seek fluid intake immediately.
Thanks for ruining it. Thanks for ruining it. Thank you.
Calorie deficiency
Oh
detected.
He's even ruining the ruin part. God. Right, yeah, so my goals for today is get some water and some food because I'm dying, and I need to get some lovely sea moth, maybe, plus sea glide fragments. That's what I'm hoping for today. Hey! Yeah, stop farting everywhere, mate. I know you're a bit gassy, but you need to stay away from the base if you're gassy. Nice. I'm gonna strangle you. Okay? Your pixelated eye, I'm gonna strangle that. You're all gonna die. I'm sorry, but you have to die. But I could show you the ocean floor. Don't even try. People done that to me. But you ain't getting away. Just like the people. You're dead now. Ah, sweet water. And I'm still dying. We have water in here though. Lovely. We'll eat one of my nutrient blocks as well. Yeah, you get them when you start off the game. You can also find them in the Aurora, if I'm not mistaken. Nice. Don't know if you can find it anywhere else though.
Vital signs stabilizing.
Nice. I'll be good for now, so I think we should look a different way. Of course it's night time now, so that's bad. We'll go this way. There's a lot of ore in there. That's good. Look at that. I'm gonna try and make it to iPod 17. In this game, I'm not too sure, but I think there is no survivors from the crash except me. Because that's what I've seen so far. God, where are you? Except that the Dassy survived a different crash on this side. Alright, there you are. God, these bladderfish have insane dukes. One moment he's here, one moment he's down there. Right, hey. Bladderfish. Oh, there's two. Get one, get that one. I'm pressing A. Give me the bladderfish. Right.
Jarmus on, yeah?
Door. Okay, so I'm dying of air. and we're gonna go to the life port 17. Hopefully has something useful in it. Probably not, because they're absolutely useless most of the time. We're going to the grapevine. Hey, how you doing, Gassy? Degassy. Get wrecked. Degassy. I just roasted them. I just roasted Degassy. The sun is setting. I'm pretty sure I know. By now, I would know if I was... Cut grapevine with knife. I did not see you. I'm going. Bye bye. Please don't follow me. No, 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 no. No, he wants me. Right. Right, you know what? You're gonna get me. Don't worry. If you want me, come and get me. So I will knife you. Right, can I eat these guys or did I just kill them? Oh, I didn't kill them.
Warning. Local radiation readings exhibit characteristics consistent with total degradation of the aurora's dark matter drive core. A quantum detonation will occur with a probability of 85.5%. Advise observing a 1 kilometer safety range.
Right, so what we want to do is we want to get back to our life raft, and I will see you when it starts detonating. Right, so we're gonna get in this boat, this life raft, and I will see you when it starts detonating. Bye. Hey guys, I've waited and it's been like a day in this game, but we finally got it to happen, so let's go ahead.
Readings suggest a quantum detonation has occurred in the aurora's drive core. The central dark matter reactor will reach a supercritical state in T-minus 10, 9,
Alright,
8,
this is gonna be so cool.
6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's metal. Metal flying. Guys, look at that beauty right there. So much smoke coming off of that. Right, now we have a kind of problem. We need a radiation suit. Not in the distance. Right, guys, I think this is going to be the end of our episode today. If you want more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Just leave a like down below because you legends are awesome. So I will see you legends next time. Bye bye.